Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Boost Your English. I'm Jason, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. In this podcast, we talk about simple, useful ways to improve your English step by step. Today's topic is something very important and something I believe every English learner should do often. We're talking about reading in English, why it's essential, how it helps you grow, and how you can get started even if you're a beginner. Why is reading important? Let's start with a question. Have you ever felt stuck in your English learning? Like you don't know enough words or can't make good sentences? Reading in English is one of the best ways to fix that. It helps you learn new words naturally, understand grammar and context, see how native speakers express ideas, build your reading and speaking confidence, improve your writing skills too. Reading is like feeding your brain with good English every day. And the more you read, the more fluent you become. You don't need to be advanced. A lot of people say, I can't read and English me level is too low. But guess what? You don't need to be advanced to start reading. There are books, stories, and articles for every level 11 beginners. You can try short stories written for learners, children's books with pictures, simple English news websites, English subtitles when watching videos, comic books or graphic novels in English. Start small and enjoy the process. Even one page a day helps. What should you read? You might ask, Jason, what should I read? Here's a tip. Read what you like. If you enjoy romance, read a simple romance story. If you like science or sports, read about those topics. If you're interested in travel, find blogs or travel guides in English. When you read something interesting, you'll enjoy learning more and you'll keep going. Also, try reading out loud. This helps your speaking and pronunciation at the same time. How reading builds vocabulary. One of the best parts of reading is how it builds your vocabulary. You see new words in context, not just in a list. For example, instead of just learning the word happy, you might read, she was happy because she passed her exam. This way, you understand not just the word, but how it's used. And when you see the same word many times in different sentences, your brain remembers it better. Tips for better reading practice. Here are a few tips to make your reading time more useful. Read every day, even just for 5-10 minutes. Keep a notebook, write down new words and phrases. Use a dictionary only when needed. Don't stop every sentence. Read the same story again later. You'll understand more. Set small goals. For example, 1 chapter a week or 1 article a day. Remember, the more you read, the easier English becomes. Stay motivated. Sometimes reading can feel slow or difficult, but don't give up. Think of reading like exercise. At first, it's hard, but over time, it becomes easier and even fun. You begin to think in English, understand faster, and feel more confident in conversations. Every page you read is a step forward in your English journey. So be proud of yourself. Closing. Let's review what we learned today. Reading in English is essential for learning new words, grammar, and ideas. You don't have to be advanced. Start with simple text. Choose topics you enjoy so you stay motivated. Reading helps your writing, speaking, and listening too. Practice a little every day, and you'll see big improvements. Thank you for joining me today on Boost Your English. Remember, English is not just something you study. It's something you live, practice, and enjoy. Keep reading, keep growing, and most importantly, never stop believing in yourself. You're doing great. Until next time, keep boosting your English.